This classic sandwich is still one of the best recovery snacks when done right. Whole grain bread gives long-lasting energy. Peanut butter adds protein and healthy fats. Jam adds fast carbs that help refill energy. It is easy to eat and easy to pack. You can keep it in your bag and use it on busy days when there is no time to prepare food. If you want to make it even stronger, add a glass of milk or yogurt on the side. That simple upgrade gives extra protein and helps your body recover even better. Many athletes also enjoy this snack because it feels familiar and comforting after a tough session. If this video helped you, please like it so more athletes can learn these simple ideas. Share it with a teammate who always skips food after training. And subscribe to this channel for more easy tips that help you train smarter and stay strong.